Welcome everyone to another edition of beginner to professional class. This is a tutorial on how to create a very creative and professional business flyer for a beauty spa and in Numona salon. So you just follow me to the end of this video and you will learn how to create something exactly like that. So we launch our app. Look at it. I have the app launch already. Then I have my size where I could pick my size, your image size. I already picked 1280 versus 1400. Now this is 32 by 35 aspect ratio. Okay, so we also have our color as white. Okay, we can just be creative. Let our color be somehow pink. Yes, quite just little. Look at where I put my. Just watch me closely, please. Look at it, then I press OK. Look at the color. It's something around white and pink, so it's appeared here. So let's go on from where we have maintained. Okay, now I press on the mark button, then go and add the background I'm using from my gallery. I add the background I'm using from my gallery. I think I have it here. Yes, I'll be using this background. So using this background, yes, so I enlarge this background to cover the whole part of the normal background. So this is, I'm trying to make my own background. So this is it. I go to color filter, try to make the saturation a little bit like 10 minus 10. When you look at me, it's minus 10 here. That's the saturation. So I press on the mark button. I go to my layer. I press on the mark button. Okay, I reduce opacity to something around 54. So then I lock it in my layer. That is it. Then I'm adding another background. I'm using background. Okay, let us add this background also. Now this background you can enlarge to make sure it cover the face. Then we'll go to color filters again. Then you can blend. Yes, look at it now. Look at what I'm doing is minus 112 now. Then I go downward, go to brightness. Okay, I increase brightness to somewhere around 50. This one hue to minus 112 and brightness to somewhere around 50. Then I press my mark button. Then I go to opacity, reduce opacity, so that the two can blend together. Yes, we are having this. Look at 38 now. So I press on the mark button, lock both. Now I have my own background already. So I add my first visual image, which I already downloaded, and erase background. So you get everything ready. So in my group, my beginner professional group, I'll be sending the resources for this design. So I have it here. You can see there's a watermark here because I used a free version of Pixel Cut. If you use a free version of Pixel Cut also, that is how watermark will appear on yours. But don't worry, we find a way to eliminate those watermarks. So this is it. So we had our picture, very sharp, very sharp picture. Then we try balancing here. Then we move a sideways like this. Look at me closely, please watch me closely. Look at what I'm doing. So I have my pictures already. Yes, now good, very beautiful. Then okay, let me lock by tap on it again I go to my color filter. I know that actually you are working with a pink brand color, so our picture should have some reflection of pink, so you can just reduce to somewhere around 15. When you cut back here, you can see there is a difference, but when you put to somewhere around 15, it looks like it's blended with the background. So that is it, everything should align. So we have it here. This is good already. Then look at this creative thing I want to do. Please be very creative while creating this video. Be very creative. So I just shift this on like this, then I go to my images, I go to my yes, this is the background this is another background we are blending in. Now you'll be wondering how we want to blend this background. The first thing you do here is go to your color filter, use the hue button, change to something around purple. Yes, very good, like this. Let's just put it in 90. Now this is good. Now go to your eraser, clicking on it, move this a little bit, 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 then erase this part. Look at me, look at where I'm erasing. Erase this part, erase this part of your background. Please don't look at how I am erasing. You know that I am being careful. I mean, sorry for that. I am being careful about how I am erasing the background. I am being very careful about it. So you too have to be very careful. Don't let it touch the flower, but make sure you erase what you erase well. So I think we are fine now. I think we are fine now. Yes, let's look at it now. I think we have what we want. We don't have what we want here. This is not what I want, so I come back here, maybe reduce increase this a little bit, then I try to bring it down. I try to bring some things down here. So just watch me. That's why I ask you to be very creative here, so that you know how to do. Yes, I think I have what I want. So I want, yes, this is good. Now this is what I want. Can you see? This is how you can blend up to 3 6 even 6 background in one design. So now let's copy this same thing. Yes, now you go to rotate it. Yes, you rotate it to around 45. Yes, and then place here, yes. Now you place here, then okay, sorry for that. Then try put it behind this one. Put the second one behind the first one. Yes, because we don't want any glitch here. So we see that it's perfect now, it's blended together. That is very fine. Okay, you can try rebalancing. Let's go to rotate, so that you cover those parts we want it to cover. Oh no, yes, okay, let's go to rotate somewhere around 52. Yes, good, I think we have it now. Then you can copy this same thing, go back to rotate. You know, this is the third this is the second time you're copying, and this third image. So you can just rotate to 115 and put it around here, so that everything you can increase size, so that everything will aligns. Everything will aligns in design. Okay, let's see, 109. Okay, good. I think it is good now. So don't let it touch the head of this design, so that you just lock. That's good. Now the next thing we'll be adding here is a new shape. Yes, we increase radius to somewhere around 30. Yes, move it in this button. Yes, good. Now you take it downward here, then go to rotate it a little bit, that is half here. So you can move up, enlarge here again, then put it around here. Good. Now this is very good. Then you go to your opacity, reduce opacity to somewhere around 50. Then copy same shape. After copying it, increase opacity now, then reduce size. Hope you are getting me. You reduce size. Wow, this is exactly what we want to create here. So that is exactly what we'll be creating at the top also. So we just go to shapes, reduce shape, try to look at it, let the radius, and yes, very good radius. Now rotate your shape to somewhere around 14. So you can try increasing your shape a little bit. Let's just say reduce. Just be very creative with this. Then go to your opacity to somewhere around 50 or so. Then copy that same shape, put upward here. Look at my placement, please. It seems you don't see anything, but trust me, there is something there. So after copying, placing here, look at it, I place here. So after copying, copy that shape again, then increase opacity. Look at me, reduce size a little bit, then what? Place in the middle of this. That is how you should be creative. Place in the middle of this. Copy exactly same shape. What? You can place in the middle of this also. Make sure you place well, please. I usually say this is where a beginner differs from a professional. Their placement is always different. So you can try locking what you do. I think this one is not well placed. Yes, I think we placed well now. So now this is what we want. So the next thing is adding a new picture. Oh, okay. So pardon me, I don't think we'll be needing this shape on top. Yes, you know why? So you can just unlock both. You can try reducing size. I'm so sorry about that. I don't think we'll be needing that. So you can just reduce size with your, let's reduce size here, then copy. I think we'll be needing this rather than that. So you copy this, make sure you can just delete. Okay, no, not this. Let's delete this. Oh my god, sorry about that. I'm trying to look at the shape. No, sorry, I'm trying to look at the shapes. Yes, this is it. So we can just delete this so that we can try balancing the whole thing. Please, this is where you need focus, balance well. So you copy this, you place on this. Yes, because of the pictures, that is why I say we will not be needing that shape. So you copy this, so you place well, then copy exactly same thing, move down here and what, and place well. Yeah, I think we are good to go now. Then you can now as well lock everything. Yes, make sure you place before locking it. So now let's go to each box and add our pictures. So you go to texture, that is where you add your picture. So you go to, okay, let me move this one out of this here. Yes, then you go to where your picture is. I downloaded picture in Pinterest, because that is why you see pin here, Pinterest. So you can get your pictures there also. So we'll be going for something like this first. Then you know that it did not fool the whole shape, so you have to enable here, or enable what, 100% to what, to fool the shape. Then you press the mark button. You getting me? So good. Tap on the layer here, pick on the second shape, go to texture again, tap on select texture. Let's pick this. And I'm trying, to, no, we are picking another texture, that one deformed. So I'm trying to use a black images, because it depends on the brand you are working for. Yes, they might request for authenticity in images. Maybe they want black images, you get. So, and some it might be an international brand you're working for, so they might request for white images. So it depends. If you're working for international brand, you can use white images. I don't say you cannot use white images also in Nigeria brand. Yes, they can go international too. So it depends on what your client wants or what you assume. So I'll be combining both here. So I just pick here, go to the third one, texture, then go to my texture. This is massage. I crop. I just need the essential parts. Yes, that is massage. Then I pick the fourth. No, yes, this is the fourth box. Don't pick the wrong thing, please. Just make sure you do what you have to do very well. You click on let's use this, the news. Yes, that's why I said I'll be using two. So I think that is good now. That is good. Yes, the next thing we'll be adding is the name of the brand. So just add new text. In my last videos, in my last tutorials, I mentioned something about Numina. Okay, I think it's Numina. Yes, good. So I mentioned something about test logo. So I'm creating this flyer for that logo I designed the other time. So I'm going to be choosing the font Numina. Yes, but know that this is not a brand. This is not a brand. It's not a realistic brand. It's just for case of tutorial, you get. I'm just using it for tutorial. So you pick on your gradient. Okay, select any gradient, then edit the gradient. So you pick on this one to be pink. You draw here. Please look at me. Look at what I'm doing. Please. Then you can just click on this place here. Can you see? Click here, change, interchange. You can see you can interchange. I already picked that, so interchange here. Let's see. Oh it's not giving us what we want. I think this needs to go deeper. You get. Okay, let's try letting this go deeper a little bit, and then this one, yes, like this. You see that this design no easy, just need patience. This to go deeper a little bit so that this one can come back here. Yes, I just want that blend. Yes, I think it is good now. Yes, Lumina, you can copy. I think it should be beauty and spa. Beauty spa, I mean beauty spa. So Lumina beauty spa, reduce size here. Yes, so that always maintain straight line in your design. That's why I asked you to reduce size there, so you can reduce size here. You can even interchange here. You can even interchange this. You can interchange like this. Yes, good. So we bring out beauty at its finest. We bring out beauty at the finest. You can try reducing size here, and what? You can just move down here a little bit. Then let's try balancing our text. We bring out beauty at its finest. Let's try picking another. I'm looking at the fonts. I want us to be very consistent with our color pick. So no, let's go to our gradients. No, so we are try editing our text. We can just bring shape, yes, so that we can put our text on that shape, that small text. Let's reduce the size of this. Go to radius somewhere around 10. Okay, you can just draw, reduce a little bit, make sure it's small. Then what? Balance here. You can add your text on that. You can add your text on it. Balance your text too. Let's go for the color. Okay, so we're still editing our shape and text. So you just change color to, let's just say white. Then let the opacity, yes, make sure you're very good at this. Yes, I think this is okay now. This is very okay now. You can reduce the opacity of the shape if you want. So yes, you can reduce the opacity like that. Very good. It's very good now. Everything is okay. Now the next thing is adding our contact tests and contact and services. So let's come here. Oh, sorry about that. So let's just add new text. Let me add my own phone contact. Let's just add +234 70 48 40 30 72. So I think you're good to go now. So just go to color, you can try to pick the consistent color you're using, or you can pick okay, don't worry about that. Reduce size, and then try bringing down your image to yes. Then you can now change your font to something bold. Let's look at this. Let's look at Jumani's bold. Then you can just rotate your font and make sure you place well. Good. Make sure you rotate your font well, so that it aligns with this. So I think that is good. You can copy this also, and then go for your location. Let's just say Ikeja, Lagos, Nigeria. Good. So you can try reducing size of Ikeja, Lagos, then use this relative position to bring downward. So you can just put it here, Ikeja, Lagos, Nigeria. Then please, let's change the font of this text and this number. This font here is quite, let's go to a tall font now. I'm looking for a tall font. Let me just come here. I'm looking for a tall font actually. Okay, so I've tried replacing my text. So okay, let me place this well. So for the core contacts, I think I use this font. You can go and search for it on your PZ Lab. I use this font, Bebas New Regular. So you can use it or use a nice font. So let me move closer a little bit. So that is it about it. So we'll be adding our call icon and location icon. So let's see from the gallery. It is not here. Yeah, this is our location icon. This is our location icon. We haven't erased background. Yes, so I need to do that here. So you should have erased background before, or you can do it here also. Yes, you can pick on the color in between. Can you see? Oh my god. Let's make sure we remove I think we've removed that. So just go to color filter. Yes, you can try using that color. Then what? Make sure you place well. Very creative. Placing well makes your work very creative. So from gallery also, is this our core is this our call icon. Reduce very well. Place well also. Place well also. Then change color. So this is good. This is very good. Or we can just, okay, let's leave it like this. Let's leave that call icon like this. So this is very good now. So we just need the services. Yes, we need to put the services somewhere. Let's just add new text. The services are massage, body massage, then body massage, pedicure, pedicure, manicure, and nail fixing, nails fixing. So this is our so we just reduce size, bring downward. Yeah, hope you are following me. Yes, designing is not so easy. Yes, not so easy, but it's also easy at the same time. You permit me to use that. So you go to your font, try to choose the Germanis bold, try to be consistent. So you can just pick out a gradient color. Make sure the text, you can make sure the text are small. You can make sure the text are small. You copy exactly like this. I just put add dots. Very good. So let's use this, bring it downward. Yes, now this is very okay now. This is very okay now. Yes, then we still need to put what are these are services, right? So we need to write out service. We need to write out services. Okay, services. Let's just write services and put this. Then bring downward. Reduce size. Might still reduce size. Good. So we just leave the color in somewhere like white. Leave the color in white. You can lock this. Okay, add new shape. add new shape, very small, and use the radius, then what, bring in on it. You can reduce size if it is too big, so bring it on this. So you might, let's just change the color, make sure you put behind this text. Good. Then what, change, reduce opacity. So now I think we have something very, very creative and extraordinary. So now this is a very creative flyer. So we're adding an extra effect now. Let's just do something. Go to your layers, click on one of these, and this is the flower that we added to the background. Copy one, go to rotate. Okay, just rotate well. You can try putting it here. Don't let it cover so many part of this, but let it cover some part of the text. Yes, very good. Now can you see? So let it cover some part of the text. Lock. Wow, this is very okay. Then the last thing we'll be doing here is adding another creative thing. Go to your shape, pick on the circle icon, go to, don't press this yet, go to opacity, put to 0, then go down, go to stroke, add stroke somewhere like 13. Yes, then go to down, go to stroke color here, go down, go to stroke color, turn stroke color to white. Yes, then you can press OK. Then pressing OK, let's just copy this. You can delete this, pressing OK. You're trying to add one more thing to be as creative. You are trying to be creative. Look at it. Then go to opacity, reduce opacity. You can copy. You can copy this exact shape, come here, you can copy, delete this, come here. Yes, so this is another creative way of doing things. Yes, look at it now. So we just go to our project. Go to our projects, let's just say Lumina. So we go to our create, and then we save as image, save to gallery. So I'll pause the video while the image save. Now this is what we'll be creating since. Yes, you can zoom it, look at it. Now this is good. This is what we'll be creating since. This is exactly what we'll be creating since. So make sure you like and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial like this. Thank you. See you in my next tutorial.